Okay, so what we got here is a Peugeot 108 2016 installed with reversing sensors in the back and a reverse camera and dash cam. So it acts as a reverse camera and dash cam, this mirror monitor as well we've installed. So that's the mirror monitor there. You got the front dash cam there. So it goes into reversing mode when you put it into reverse, gives you the guidelines. It's fully adjustable. And when you take it out of reverse, it goes back to normal. So it brings up the dash cam. This is full 2K Ultra HD and 1080p HD in the back. All records onto the screen. You've got different modes on here, so you can have a split view. You can have it show in the front, or just show in the back. So you got various stuff you can do on here. So you can watch all the dashcam video files directly on the screen while it's been recording. You can also pull it off to your phone from the SD card on the top. So you got an SD card in there which you can take out and plug into a computer as well. Also access a normal mirror, so if you want to use it as a normal rear view mirror, you can as well. So yeah, if you want something like this installed on yours, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit our Car Sound Security in Ilford Gansil, IG2 628. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.